Okay. Pitfalls and snake oil salesmen. Now, what do I mean by that? When you are going to undertake this journey, becoming a software engineer or a cloud engineer, there are some pitfalls to avoid, some negative self talk. We will worry about coping strategies. We will talk about coping strategies in a little bit. But there are a lot of people out there who are trying to sell you on certain things, right? They are trying to make a sale, but they're actually making false promises. And for some of you, you might be thinking some things or some facts that are not true, that are incorrect, that you're telling yourself. And I just want to make sure that I address those. I actually was reticent to record this lecture, but I think it's important that we are truthful to ourselves and our students, right? It is essential for me to make sure that you understand the process that you are about to undertake. So let's get into some of the pitfalls that you need to avoid, and some of the claims that some snake oil salesmen make out there when it comes to getting into information technology or cloud computing. First, the one that I see a lot is that you can do this, and the answer is no. The truth is we can do this. You will not be able to do this alone. It's a shame that a lot of people are not told this fact ahead of time when they're switching careers or when they are trying to, improve their life by coming into information technology or cloud computing, etc. They're told that you can do this, and the truth is no, you can't do this. We can do this. That's the difference. If you are switching careers and you need time, speak to your spouse, speak to your significant other, speak to your family, and basically bring into your circle, tell those people about this who are in your corner, who want to see you succeed, and avoid those people who are naysayers. And we always have those people in our life who are naysayers, like, you can't do this, why are you even getting into this, I tried it, it doesn't work, blah blah blah. You need mentors. You need people who support you. You're going to need your family. You're going to need your significant other's help in order to do this. So, no, you can't do this. We can do this. Okay. You're going to need others if you are going to undertake this journey. I just want to make sure that you're clear on that. One of the claims that I've seen snake oil salesmen make in some of the courses that are on offer in many places that this is going to be quick and easy. And the answer is no, it's not. This is going to be slow and difficult. I can't say that there aren't people for whom this isn't quick and easy. Of course, there is. There's always savants. There are always people who are naturally gifted at something. And for them, a lot of things come easy in life. But take it from an average guy. I'm an average guy. It's perfectly okay to be average. And for average people, not everything comes quick and easy. So things take time, things are difficult. So it's not going to be quick and easy. It's going to be slow and it's going to be difficult, but it's going to be worth it. Let me say it that way. Don't think negative. It's going to be hard, but it's going to be well worth it. Second, learn everything. A lot of courses that make this claim, I am specific in my course to make sure that I don't claim this. I say learn as much as you need in order to be employed. That's the litmus test. Meaning, I can't possibly teach you everything in this course. That would be impossible. I can only teach you enough so that you are employable. That is the litmus test. You can't learn everything. You can only learn enough that you are employable. Third claim that a lot of snake oil salesmen make out there is, oh, here's a secret. Learn the secrets. And the big secret, I'll tell you the big secret. Are you ready? When it comes to IT, when it comes to cloud computing, is there is no big secret. Okay? As long as you're willing to do what other software engineers and cloud computing experts and professionals do, you can become one of them. You can become one of us. What we do is no big secret. Okay? It's completely out in the open. I'm not going to teach you anything secret. There is no secret sauce here. It's difficult, it's slow, it's meandering, but it's worth it. So, no, I can't teach you any secrets because, well, there is no secret. Another thing that people sometimes get, and this is a pitfall that I see a lot of new learners fall into, is the allure of technology, right? Technology is amazing. Don't get me wrong. Technology is incredible. Um, the virtual reality headsets, the phones that are powering the computers that you're using on a day to day basis. They're incredible. And technology is fun, technology is great. But very few of us get to work in the super fun part of technology. If you expect to be a game developer or a VR developer or work on really, really, really cool stuff, that's a good thing. I'm not saying you shouldn't strive for that. But for a lot of us, many of us, technology usually involves a lot of coding, a lot of work, a lot of troubleshooting, and sometimes frustration. That's okay. I think at the end of it, it's totally worth it. The effort is worth the reward. The juice is worth the squeeze. So don't be pulled in by the allure of technology. Yes, technology is awesome, and yes, you're going to get to work on cool stuff. But understand this: develop a sense of patience. Develop some patience. Technology can be quite frustrating at times as well. Another claim that a lot of people make is that you're going to have a lot of free time, and it's true to a certain extent. Um, I've had some of my most sleepless nights and some of my most stressful times while working in technology, but it is still way better than working 80, 90 hour weeks doing working two jobs and still not being able to make ends meet. Yes, you're going to have a little bit more free time, but also understand there are certain times your time commitments to your job, to your work, are going to be difficult. This isn't going to be simple. So, yes, you're going to have a little bit more free time, but it is only true to a certain extent. Sometimes your job is going to be difficult and it's going to eat up some of your time. Another claim that I've seen snake oil salesmen make is that you're going to get hired immediately and start immediately or work immediately or immediately. This sense of immediacy will get you in trouble because this is what's likely to happen. You are going to start, and what you're going to learn is that it's slow, it's difficult, and it doesn't work. A lot of things you try don't work immediately. So, what's going to happen? Your negative self talk is going to kick in, and you're going to say to yourself, oh, this didn't work immediately. This means I'm stupid. I should just quit. And the answer is no. The claim itself that get hired immediately or start working immediately, this claim is incorrect. This is a pitch of a snake oil salesman. No, you cannot get hired immediately. It'll take time. It'll take months, if not years, for you to do this. Okay? So, you still with me? Then yes, it's well worth the effort. Financial freedom. And yes, this is true to an extent. It is a lucrative opportunity. Information technology, cloud computing, artificial intelligence, these things are changing the world around us. As we see, as we live through this AI age and cloud technology age, things are changing around us. The world is changing around us. And yes, you can re- reap the benefits of financial freedom if you get into this um, field. But understand this: if the money is the reason you're getting into it, then it's going to be difficult. Reason is that at times, especially when you're starting, the money is not going to be there. You're going to do projects, you're going to apply to countless jobs and get rejected. You're going to go to interviews and you're going to get rejected. You're not going to know what to do. And then your negative self talk is going to start to kick in and it's like, I'm not making any money doing this. What the hell is this all about? And the truth is, yes, at the start, you're not going to make much money. But this is a claim that snake oil salesmen make, is that you're going to have financial freedom. Yes, you're going to have financial freedom eventually, but to start, it's going to be tough. I wish I could tell you that it's not, it is. It's going to be tough. And finally, another claim that I've seen that snake oil salesmen make is that learn in your free time. And that's not true. It's simply not true. You can't learn in your free time. You have to free your time in order to learn. You are going to have to make time. You are going to have to make time in order to learn this, in order to become this. You're going to have to cut out negative habits, from your life, and I'll teach you, show you how to do that. And you're going to have to make time in order to do this, right? Most of us don't have free time. We don't. We're doing other things. We're sometimes watching TV. Not that there's anything wrong with that. We're watching sports. We're hanging out with our family. We're hanging out with our friends. We have other stuff to do. And in a given day, you're not going to learn in your free time. You're going to have to free up your time in order to learn, meaning you're going to have to make certain sacrifices in order to learn. So, yes, you're going to learn in your free time, but you're going to have to free that time up. There, you don't have any free time lying around that you could just, utilize. It's simply not true. You're going to have to free up your time in order to learn. Now, if after all of this, learning about these pitfalls and some of these claims that these snake oils salesmen make in regards to information technology and getting into computer science and IT and AI and things like that, are you still with me? I hope you are. I was actually kind of reticent to record this lecture, but I just wanted to make sure that I'm giving you all the information needed, that I am being completely honest with you. And that is essential, that we don't lie to ourselves and we don't lie to our students. If you're still with me, let's continue on.